Good day, friends. You have entered Terra Noah's channel, your portal to boundless possibilities and exciting opportunities. Today, we're thrilled to unveil an exceptional opportunity from our esteemed partner, Rosh Pinah Zinc, a prominent mining company nestled in the southern regions of Namibia. They're actively seeking a superintendent plant maintenance to join their dynamic team. Don't let this golden opportunity slip away. Act swiftly and submit your application now. For a comprehensive overview of this enticing job opening and a smooth application process through our user-friendly platform on jobportunities.net, click the link provided in the video's description below. Stay tuned for more captivating content right here on Terra Noah's channel, and keep an eye out for exciting updates brought to you by Alicia. Your journey to new horizons begins with us.
Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome to our professional haven, thoughtfully consolidated for your career journey. In search of thrilling career opportunities? Look no further, we've got you covered. Whether you need expert advice for crafting an outstanding CVs, or want to refine your interview skills, consider us your reliable companion. And for a motivational boost, our extensive collection of uplifting content is just a click away. To stay updated on the latest job opportunities and access invaluable career advice, support us with likes, shares, and subscriptions to our channel. By sharing our content with your network, you're not only enhancing your journey, but also aiding your friends in advancing their careers. Sending warm regards and positive vibes from our charming town, Swakopmund. Remember, we're here to provide steadfast support every step of the way. Until our next encounter, take excellent care.